In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on auto scroll on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using TikTok on, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to do is open up your TikTok application, and right now I'm on my main For You page. So you just got to make sure that you're on this, which is whatever you're going to be which is what you're going to be on by default anyway, whenever you open up TikTok. And all you want to do is whenever anything is playing, you just got to tap and hold your thumb down in the middle of the screen away from any profile icons or anything like that for about 2 seconds. So if you basically just do it for long enough, you're going to see it's going to look like this. When you scroll down, you're going to see auto scroll as one of the options. So whenever this finishes, I'll just go towards the end of it. So, we'll just go last 3 seconds. Whenever this finishes, it's automatically going to scroll for me. As you can see, obviously for a stream, you got to do it yourself. But besides that, like let's say I want to turn off auto scroll now, I can now just turn it off with that top right little button, and then that's it. You'll be good to go.